What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for a Trust Wallet account. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet for managing cryptocurrencies, and this guide will ensure you navigate the registration process smoothly, whether you're new to crypto or switching wallets. Go to your device's App Store. It's either Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Type Trust Wallet in the search bar. Select the official Trust Wallet app and install it on your device. Once installed, tap the app icon to open Trust Wallet. Once you open Trust Wallet, tap Get Started at the bottom. On the welcome screen, you will see options to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Select Create New Wallet. From here, create a new passcode. Make sure to make your passcode hard to recognize. After entering the passcode you created, enter again your passcode for confirmation. Now, the app will ask you if you want to back up your secret phrase manually or back up to iCloud. Mine is that I choose to back up manually, so I will tap on it. From here, tap on three boxes and tap Continue to reveal your secret phrase. Trust Wallet will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Write this phrase down on paper and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. After you back up your phrases, tap Continue. You will be prompted to confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. This step ensures you have saved it properly, and there you have successfully signed up for a Trust Wallet account. Remember to keep your recovery phrase secure and explore the various features the wallet offers. As you continue your cryptocurrency journey, consider researching more about security practices and the assets you wish to store. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.